Adam didn't support this. The reason he gave was that a second child would place additional demands on Helen's already tight financial situation, and it would compromise her ability to adequately...
Thank you. This is a huge industry now, and it's built on the premise of Chinese economic growth and Chinese demand for this seafood.
I'm Douglas van Beek, and I'm the...
No, so they are the same.
He tells us to speak to the harbour master, but they don't want to talk to us. For years, this island has been overcrowded, more than 20, but thousands will be left behind on this island that no longer wants them.
That's Jean Mackenzie reporting from Lesbos. We'll end our programme where we began. Well, sort of. We began the programme talking about the coronavirus, and the spread of the disease is what reporters in Brazil expected today, at least in part, to be able to talk to the country.
What if you want to show your dismay towards inadequate stationery? So now people in China have come up with a lot of innovative ways to get around censorship, and that is through the use of code words. For example, the word harmonious was banned because it was being used to mock the previous president's signature ideology called the Harmonious Society. Because Mandarin is a tonal language, the word harmonious sounds, when actually, I mean the C word. It's the ultimate loophole. People can't exactly report you for harassment when all you're doing is sending them stock photos of river crabs every day. People do use code words over here, but it's less to criticize the state, more to disguise their racism. You know, code words like controlled immigration, which is code for I only want white neighbors. In general, the free speech debate is much less about government censorship here and more about political correctness. Or in modern terms, it's about people being woke, which is a particularly relevant topic for media. How celebrities can now receive massive backlash and criticism online as part of something people now refer to as cancel culture. If you don't know what cancel culture is, go on Twitter and tweet exactly what he said. The concept will soon become very clear. Canceling someone is when big groups of people now decide to call out and boycott someone for what they said or did. Cancel culture, I'm all for it. Bring it on, I say. I've got nothing to hide. I've deleted my old tweets.
To us on the situation there.
Yes, they are, and the news that I'm getting through that glass is, I'm afraid, worse, ladies and gentlemen. The World Health Organization is about to announce, just to remind people tuning in, we're discussing possible scenarios, we're not breaking news here. The World Health Organization is about to announce that it is a global pandemic, and that pandemic applies to the United Kingdom as well.
And then you're living on a repair ship eating breakfast paste.
So buckle up for this week's podcast radio hour on BBC Radio 4 Extra with me, Anne-Marie Lass, and me, Rachel Wheely, this Friday morning at 11 and again in the evening at 9.
On Radio 4 Longwave and DAB Digital Radio, it's time now for the daily service led by Canon and Easter.
Two hamur.
Two hamur, not so big but still good eating size.